So for our final project, we're doing an interactive PDF. I'm going to show you how to do that. This is just a demonstration of how to create an interactive PDF. And I'm going to start on the first page with these three buttons here. This is the end result for the first page that I want you to do. So I want you to create the contact button, which actually allows users to click on the contact so they can email you. So this will be a mail to functionality. Then the resume, if the users click on the resume button, they will be able to view your resume. And then also if they click the portfolio website button, it'll take them to your personal website. So each of these buttons will have a rollover state, which if I roll over this, it'll actually turn a different color, and then when I click on it, it'll have a click state. So, and I'll show you how to create those. So the first thing to do is grab the type tool. You want to click and drag, and I'm going to type in contact. And actually I'm going to do a copy and paste. And then I'm going to change this to resume. And I'm going to do another copy, or I'm going to do another paste. And I'm going to call this portfolio website. And see, now we have the little red square with the plus sign in it, so that means we need to make this a little bit bigger so all of the text shows. And I just clicked and dragged on the corner or on the side here. I just grabbed this square here and just clicked and dragged, so now all of website shows. Now I have the buttons and forms and hyperlinks already open, so if they are not open on your desktop, you want to go to Window, Interactive, Buttons and Forms, because this is how we're gonna make things interactive. Also, if you go to Interactive and Hyperlinks, this is how we actually create those things to go where they're supposed to. So let's start with contact. So I'm going to start with the hyperlink first. And sorry about that. Okay, so I'm going to have contact selected, and that's just going to the selection tool and selecting it. I'm going to choose this pull down, this flyout menu here. Since I want it to go to somewhere, I'm going to say new hyperlink. Where it says link to, I'm going to click this drop down menu. It's going to give me these options. Since this is contact and we want the people to email you back, we're going to do email. So here it says the destination. You want to put your email address, so I'll put mine at gmail.com. And the subject line can be contact me. And everything else is okay, so we're going to click OK. Now let's click on resume. We're going to do the same thing. We're going to go to the flyout menu and we're going to choose new hyperlink. So we actually want this to go to the resume, so we're going to choose file. So I'm actually going to look for the path to where it's at. So I'm going to do this one. A good rule of thumb, if you are using a Microsoft Word document, you're going to want to create that or convert it into a PDF. Microsoft or InDesign doesn't take Word too well, so I'll show you how to do that on a PC, because obviously PCs and Macs are pretty different. So after I put in my file, I'm going to say OK to everything.